Our today's topic is displacement reaction, where we are going to study about single and double displacement reaction as well as precipitation reaction. So coming up with the first topic, that is single displacement reaction. What is single displacement reaction? Those reactions in which a more active element displaces a lesser active element from its compound, like Fe combining with CuSO4, where Fe is more active than copper in copper sulfate and it displaces and forms its own compound FeSO4 and copper separates out. How this reaction takes place? What is the basis of displacement reaction? That is reactivity series of metals. This we already have studied in our previous class. What it indicates? It indicates a series of metals which are arranged in the increasing order, where you can see gold occupies the last position, which is the least reactive metal, and potassium is at the highest order. It means potassium is the most reactive metal. Potassium can displace sodium, and this goes on according to their reactivity. Coming to a very important topic regarding activity of iron nail with copper sulfate solution. How it takes place? We have to prepare a solution of copper sulfate which is blue in color. You can look forward. We have dipped in this copper sulfate and iron nail and let it stand for some time. You will observe this blue color of copper sulfate will change into green color. Why it happens? Because iron present in iron nail is more reactive than copper in copper sulfate. So it displaces and forms its own compound FeSO4 and the color of FeSO4 is green. Whereas on the iron nail you would find a brown color deposition which are the copper ions. Now, how this reaction occurs? Iron combining with copper sulfate leading to the formation of ferrous sulfate which is green in color and copper is separated out in the form of brown deposition. Let us look what actually occurs. Iron in the form of iron nail combining with copper in the form of blue color solution of copper sulfate. Iron, being more reactive, displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. And what is formed? Formed is green color solution of ferrous sulfate and copper in the form of brown deposition on the iron nail. So, this is all about the single displacement reaction. Now coming to the next important topic, which is double displacement reaction. Those reactions in which two different atoms or group of atoms are exchanged. Why they are exchanged? In this reaction you can look barium chloride BaCl2 combining with sodium sulfate Na2SO4 forming BaSO4 which is a white precipitate. Barium sulfate is in the form of white precipitate. That is important to remember. And also forms a clear liquid which is NaCl. This is how the reaction takes place. Two clear liquids, BaCl2 and Na2SO4 combines and forms a white color solid precipitate which settles at the bottom and the clear liquid NaCl comes on the top. Now, to understand this reaction in detail, you can look BaCl2 combining with sodium sulfate leading to the formation of barium sulfate in the form of white precipitate and also forming NaCl which is a clear liquid that is aqueous solution. Now what actually is the formation of this reaction occurs? barium chloride and sodium sulfate. What these arrows actually indicate? They indicate that barium displaces sodium from its compound and combines with sulfate, forming barium sulfate, which is a white precipitate, whereas sodium combining with chlorine and forming second product, which is NaCl, which is a clear liquid. So what actually occurs? Exchange of positions between barium ion and sodium ion. Barium combined with sulfate formed barium sulfate and sodium combines with chlorine forming sodium chloride. Now, what we need to remember? We do not forget. Displacement reactions are generally formed to occur in solution. We mean aqueous solution. Displacement reactions are used in extraction of some important metals like silver and gold. All displacement reactions are exothermic reactions. When we say exothermic reaction, it means heat is liberated out. Double displacement reaction leads to the formation of two new ionic compounds. Why these two new ionic compounds are formed? Due to the exchange of position of ions. Now, we also know about an important term, that is precipitate, which defines precipitation reaction. What is actually a precipitate? It is an insoluble compound or mass which separates out as a solid and settle down at the bottom. Precipitate formation takes place in most of the double displacement reactions. So we can say that most of the double displacement reactions can also be called as precipitation reactions. Means there is formation of precipitate in these reactions. So this video covers the entire concept of displacement reactions. And don't forget to participate in poll to differentiate the displacement reaction. Thank you.